Hello guys, we continue practice about application of the proportion for word problem exercise. Question 286. Stop video, read the question and then tell me how can you solve working out. You got here is 1/2 cup compared to the 2 points. And then you got the 3 points. How many cup? Okay, oatmeal. I think I can set up the proportion. The first will be 1/2 cup and compare to the S2 point here. And the other side, the question asks you about how many cup. So I will put H cup here and 3 point here. So the numerator and the denominator for these fractions are the same unit. So maybe I can skip the unit now and come back to the cross product. 1/2 multiply 3 and 2 times h. This one is 3/2 equal to 2 times h. And then 3/2 divided by 2 equal to h. And this means 3/2 times 1/2 equal to h, 3/4. Yep, this is 3/4. 2/87. How is this? You got butter, 1/2 cup of butter, 4 dozen of cookie, 10 dozen of cookies, and how many cup of butter? Okay, cup of butter and cookie, dozen of cookie, and 1/2 cup of butter over 4 dozen, and then you got, okay, how many cup? I don't know, 8 cup. And about the dozen, 10. You got here is 10 dozen. Yeah, same units for numerator and denominator. 1/2 cross multiply 10, 4 cross multiply x. So here is 5, here is 4 times x. It means x equal to 5/4. Okay, so next one, you got 288. 288. We'll change something here. $250 into the Canadian, and about the rate is $1 here. Will be changed this into, but this one Canadian. Okay, so how many Canadian? Yes, I will put the dollar first and over H Canadian. And about the rate, you got $1 for US will be 1.01 Canadian. Yeah, so we have this ratio with this number. Now care about the number only, and h times 1. So how about the result for this? 250 multiply 0, 1.01, and you got 252.5 equal to h. So check this out, this question for 288. 288. Yeah, the answer is right. Next question, 289. Exchange something like this. Exchange this dollar into the Mexican. H dollar is mean $1. Pesos. Okay, something like this. And okay, I set up the proportion. $450, and I need to change this become to the peso. No, I don't know. I will put it S. And about the rate, $8. Okay, $1 here. and will be 12.29. So after that, we compare the unit for numerator and denominator. Yeah, okay, so we have the same. And now care about the number cross product x times 1. Okay, so 450 multiply 12.29, and here is 5,530.8.5 will be equal to x. Yep. The next one is 290. 290 into how many euro per $1? Per US dollar is mean $1. It means $1. Okay, so dollar first. 600. About 480 euros. And about H dollar here is mean $1 compared to the euro. H here. Okay, now dollar and dollar, Europe and Europe. 600 multiply H will be 600 and multiply H will be 400 multiply 1. Yep. And now I want to find H. 480 divided by 600. Simplify this number. 0.8. 0.8 euro. So 0.8 euro per $1. Oh, sorry, per $1. This question is 290. It's not 291. Okay, so 291. Australian dollars. Okay, dollar 385 Australian. Now the question asks you about how many Australian dollar per US dollar. Per US dollar is mean $1. One here, US dollar here, H Australian. Okay. Now 350 multiply H, 385 multiply 1. And then you got H equal to 385 over 35 and 0. 385 divided by 35 and 0, you got 1.1. Then the unit for H will be Australian dollar. Australian dollars.